2023 Honda Passport, 18,000 miles. And I just went to charge it up, and as you can see, this mess down here that I'm looking at here of wires, so it wouldn't start because there was no temperature sensor. So we found a temperature sensor, I hooked it up, and I brought the wiring because it's all together on all this mess, plugged it in, the compressor started. But then I noticed, so that's with it off, you could see where it started, and then it went all the way up to 341. I think it made it all the way up to 350. If it will focus, there's 341. You can see it almost made it to 350. And I said, you know what? There's an issue. Fans aren't running. So, brand new fans. So it was smashed all the way in. So most likely it stopped the fans and it blew the fuse. So we're gonna go in here after the fuse. And that's not rocket science, so you don't need to see me change a fuse or diagnose one, I think, unless I find something different and it's not the fuse. But he has it all plugged in there, so that's good. Brand new fans. And I'll get this out of the way, and then we'll get back testing. And this is a 2020. This is the one good perspective I have, because I do this from 7 a.m. to basically 7 p.m. and I've been doing this for 30 years, and I data log and I record everything. I got a unique perspective, and because I have the instrumentation that is so sensitive, I could literally down to tenths of a PSI and down to tenths of a single degree. I could, I get to see things there is no books about. I get superheat subcooling that there is no manufacturer specifications about. I get to test this vehicle when it came in, because I did the recovery. I get to start it up with the factory condenser, and I get to see what it reads, how it operates. I get to see what the superheat and subcooling is, and then they just slap in a aftermarket condenser, and instead of 20, this is only 18, so there's not much difference on the fin spacage, but I get to see the difference. And when one's really bad, I get to read the difference. And because I'm the owner and I'm not under any pressure to do anything, I can actually stick around and data log stuff that nobody else can do, because they're under the gun to make money. Move, 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 faster, 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 because they have a boss. Because it's only a sliver of the piece of the pie of the net profits left. So everyone has to just like jam, 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 like the little rat race and a squirrel in a hamster cage, trying to make that money, because there's so little spread through so many people that have to eat a piece of the pie. I don't got that problem. So I could test, and keep testing. And it's the advantage of being an owner. You could go for quality as job number one instead of profits. See you guys later.